Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. It's Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes on a Wednesday that's going to feature probably some severe weather to deal with. It's August the 21st, 2019, and this is the Storm Prediction Center's uh, risk map for severe weather, and it covers most of the mid-Atlantic states all the way up into northern New England and the area, what is considered slight risk, where we probably could see some scattered severe thunderstorms embedded in a general larger area of severe weather running from south central and southeastern Pennsylvania, just about all of New Jersey, running northeastward through New York State, and all of New England, or just about all of New England except northernmost Maine. So this includes all the cities of Philadelphia, New York City, Hartford, Providence, Boston, on up through Portland, Maine. Certainly looks like this is going to be a busy, severe weather day. The um, the critical thing was the warm front. We were talking about this yesterday. We had that minor area of dry air that pushed down through New York State and got to about New York City and Long Island. And that is now, of course, retreated. And you'll notice, at least as of 8 a.m., we've got just about everybody is sitting in dew points now in the 70s. The 70 dew points have pushed up into the Hudson Valley and into Connecticut and in through southeastern New England, and they're going to keep pushing further and further north. So certainly getting this, tropical air saturating everything. And looking at the latest analysis from the Weather Prediction Center, WPC, warm front is through. So it's going to be a matter really of how much daytime heating we're going to get. And if it's significant, we take temperatures up close to the 90-degree mark. You'll certainly feel it with the steaminess in the air. That's going to start triggering off some thunderstorms late in the afternoon. And that's pretty much what the high temperature forecasts are from southern New England down into the Washington, D.C. area, upper 80s to low 90s. Going to have to see how much cloud cover we have, because we do have some cloud cover around this morning. The cold front is getting ready. We're going to break out into some sunshine, and that'll start all the daytime heating and getting it going. Everything remains on course, by the way, with regards to getting improving weather conditions here. With respect to humidity, we're going to be waiting for this front going by, and then on Thursday we have a second front that is going to be passing through. And once that goes, we are going to bring in this nice dry air mass with low humidity and sunshine for Friday and probably for Saturday and for Sunday as well. Here's the radar loop as we look at this as of 8:15. I'm sorry, 8:30 Eastern time, and showers and storms starting to rev up a bit in western New York and western Pennsylvania. And we're also seeing some showers and storms from the warm front that have pushed up into New England. So in that sector in between, we're going to be watching for the thunderstorms to start forming later on today. So we'll take you, let's take you just through what the models are doing really quickly. We have today's cold front going by, some showers and storms, and then we have the second front for tomorrow with some showers and thunderstorms. Although if you look at this for tomorrow, the main emphasis may be more to the south, because that cooler, drier air will be already working into upstate New York and into northwestern PA. So the thunderstorm threat for tomorrow, I think, may be more for say from New York City southward. The Storm Prediction Center not really indicating any kind of serious severe weather risk for tomorrow, although I wonder whether we might see a marginal risk getting extended in some places. And then the front just keeps on dropping southward, which is key. High pressure builds in for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Low dew points, low humidity, and sunshine. So everything's going according to plan, and that's definitely a good thing. Just want to very quickly check on the tropics, because last night we had Tropical Storm Chantal develop. It's way out in the Atlantic, and it's not going to be of any consequence. It's just going to move east and then southeast and gradually weaken. At least that's the Hurricane Center's forecast. But I mention this because this might be the kickoff of the more active period. It's been very, very quiet through the first 20 days of the month of August. And perhaps this is a signal now that the atmosphere may start revving up just a little bit as far as tropical activity is concerned. And one area that I want to point out is we've got disturbed weather in the Bahamas extending northeastward out for several hundred miles. Nothing much of consequence here at the moment, but at some point next week we might see with this old frontal boundary, this frontal boundary that's going to be coming through, stalling out off the east coast, off the southeast coast and back over to Florida, that we might see something come out of that region. So we'll of course pay attention to that. So here are your highs for today. As we said, mostly upper 80s and low 90s. For tomorrow, upper 80s to around 90 degrees with that second front going by. And then take a look at Friday, 70s to around 80. That is just going to feel absolutely great. And moving on to Saturday, it's mostly upper 70s to around or just over the 80-degree mark. And Sunday, the same, pretty much upper 70s to around or just over 80. Certainly, we are looking forward to what could be a gorgeous weekend. So that's it for today. Thanks for being here. Check out the website post that'll be coming up on what we're going to get later today. We'll keep you abreast of all the severe weather developments. And we will have our YouTube live stream tonight, probably at about 7 o'clock Eastern time, when we'll cover all the severe weather. And, of course, we'll take a deeper look at the tropics and the long range.